When somebody sneezes, run away. When somebody sneezes, run away. That's something contagious. And here, people love to traditional life. They laugh at us while we are the real guru. I love my life. I forgive my enemy and I send him all the light. They like to put God in the box, the parameters of their slogans. Preachers and leases, yeah, you never hear them talking about the Most High. Sometimes you don't need for it. Yeah, right. The Spirit of God can tell you. It is a done deal. And how you react to what God is saying to you, that determines what will be the outcome. Hallelujah to the Most High. Hallelujah to the Most High. I miss those days. I miss these days. I miss those days.